What is up, YouTube? Hello, world. And today we're going to look at how you can defeat youareanidiot.org or the new version youareanidiot.cc using a very simple trick with a program that I really use for everyday sort of things, and it can also help you defeat epileptic seizures and other medical conditions. And it can also help you if your computer's in a bind that really will slow it down. And let's say you're on a game and the game's not closing, but you already saved your stuff. You can use this program if the game will not close on a regular Alt+F4 close. So this is for programs that will not work on a regular Alt+F4 close. I will put the link in the description. And as you can see, I'll zoom in just so we can read this together. Super F4 kill programs instantly with Control Alt F4. Now this may not work, and there goes my dog. Control Alt F4 you will need to do is a keyboard shortcut you will use to close a program. Now you might need to use FN if you're using a laptop or if you're using a special keyboard that has functions on the F keys. But Super F4 is a free software and you can make a donation. It's really worth it to make a donation or support through Patreon, or you could support through Bitcoin, whatever. However you want to support, it works for you. It's different from when you press Alt F4. When you press Alt F4, the program can refuse to quit what youareanidiot.org does, and Windows only asks the program to quit and lets it decide for itself what to do. But Super F4 will just tell the program, you must close now. It will force the program to close. It won't even tell the program. And it will not close some programs like Steam, because Steam will just reopen. I don't know if that's just a bug with how it works, but you can download it here. And I think what happens is it will warn you with, I think, Smart Screen if you have reputation-based protection on. It might warn you about the program being malware. You can just ignore this warning and bypass it, because that's basically because this program is not that well known. This is a little trick. And I currently have youareanidiot.cc/safe on the other screen, so I'm going to bring it over and test this program. For those of you who have epileptic seizures, you might want to stop watching right now and just download the programs. I don't think it might be. I'm not sure how safe it is to continue watching the program, but we have You Are an Idiot, and this is the safe version. As you can see, if I click it, nothing will happen. Oh, and there comes a sound. So can you hear anything from the desktop? Um, Hold on, let me add my desktop audio capture.
You are an idiot! You are an idiot!
Sorry about that noise. But you can see that You Are an Idiot is really loud. I'm lowering it a bit. And you can see that, and we'll go to the real deal now. And now, we'll push on this button, and we'll be ready we'll click on the song to start it. I don't know why, I have two monitors, so let me just move it over here and move it back. Let me put it on both monitors so it actually works. Okay, now I press Control Alt F4, and it stops. Just like that. I have defeated You Are an Idiot. Now when I reopen Brave, it's going to ask me, KoJesko, do you want to restore your pages? Absolutely not. There were at least 100 pages open there. That was the most demanding You Are an Idiot run I've ever done on this computer. I think I messed up a bit there. But we're gonna close this now. So anyways, I don't know who made this art, so I don't know who to credit for this, but if you did make this art, and I can verify you actually made it, I will give you credit for it. So because I'm using a theme park pack from the internet. So I hope you all have a nice day, and see you next time on KoJesko's Tech Tips, I think. Well, whatever. And join my Discord server because we might have a "you are an idiot" emoji soon. So just so you can use it with your friends because you are not an idiot.